Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to allow only known senders to invite you to a space in Google Chat on your PC using the new update. This setting is perfect for keeping your workspace free from spam or unwanted invitations, while still letting trusted contacts reach you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page near your profile picture. You'll see a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. Click on it to open the Google Apps menu. From this menu, find and select Chat. This will open Google Chat in a new tab, ready for you to manage your settings. Inside Google Chat, look at the top right area of your screen. There's a gear icon, and this is your settings shortcut. Click on it to open the settings panel. In the settings menu, scroll or look for the section called Access Restrictions. Click on this option to open up controls for who can interact with you and send invites. Now, under the section labeled Who can invite you to a space, you'll see different options. Select Known Senders Only. This means Google Chat will only allow invitations from people you've interacted with, or those already approved as trusted contacts. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to do anything else. From now on, you'll receive space invitations only from people you know, making your chat environment more secure and better organized. That's it. You've successfully updated your settings to only allow known senders to invite you to spaces on Google Chat. This little change can save you from a lot of unnecessary messages and help you focus on the conversations that matter most.